So, good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Saptakam. So, today we are going to see very important question. So, the density function, density function of x is given by fx is equal to ax plus b if x is in between 0 and 2 and 0 otherwise. If expectation of x is equal to 1, then what is A and what is B? We have to find the value of A and B. Okay. So let's see how we will do this question. Solution. No, we know that if fx is density function, then integration minus infinity to plus infinity fx dx will be equal to 1. Okay. So now we know that we can break this integral minus infinity to 0 fx dx plus 0 to 2 fx dx plus 2 to plus infinity fx dx. Then it will be 1. Okay. Now minus infinity to minus infinity to 0. The function is given 0. Fx value is 0. 0 to 2, it is given ax plus b. Okay. Plus 2 to plus infinity, again it is 0. It is 1. Okay. So what is this value? This is 0. What is this integral? Ax square by 2 plus bx integral limit 0 to 2, and this is again 0. It is 1. So solve it. What you will get? You will get a 2 square by 2 plus b2 minus minus a 0 square by 2 plus b into 0, it close equal to 1. So after solving it, what you will get? 2a plus 2b is equal to 1 you got. Okay. So you can write it a plus, you can divide, you can take 2 common. Okay. Then what will be a plus b is equal to 1 by 2. Let's say it is equation number 1. Next, it is given that ex is equal to 1. Now, formula for formula for ex is minus infinity to infinity x fx dx. The formula for ex is this. So this implies what we have, minus infinity to infinity x fx dx is equal to 1. So again we can break this integral into 3 parts. Okay. So what is this here? Again fx is here 0, x into 0 dx plus 0 to 2 x ax plus b dx, 2 to infinity x into 0 dx is equal to 1. So this is 0, this is 0 to 2, ax square plus bx dx, and this is 0 again, this one. So what is this integral? Ax cube upon 3 bx square upon 2, 0 to 2 is equal to 1. So what will be this? This will be 2 cube upon 3 must be 2 square by 2 minus a 0 cube upon 3 plus b 0 square by 2 is equal to 1. So after solving it, you will get 8a by 3. And what will be this? This will be 2b is equal to 1. Okay. So we can take 2 common. This is 4a by 3 plus b is equal to 1. That means 4a by 3 plus b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Subtracting. Now we are going to solve 1 into subtracting 1 from 2. We get, what we get? 4a by 3 plus b minus a plus b 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is 0. So this is okay. So this becomes 0. That means and b से b कट जाएगा. Okay. So this is 4a by 3 minus a. That means a by 3 is equal to 0. That means a is equal to 0. From 1 we get a plus b is equal to 1 by 2. That means a is 0 is equal to 1 by 2. So that means b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1 by 2. This is the final answer of the question. Okay. So today's question is done. So if you like it, you can subscribe my channel or you can share this video. Okay. Thank you very much.